Hi guys. So I don't know how to say this, but I don't know how to say this. So if you guys remember, like last time when I was unboxing my tripod stand, there was this another box which is there, which I don't know. Some of you, most of you they probably didn't care, or maybe you didn't care, but due to a huge demand of people asking me what is the other box, I'm gonna be unboxing that other box. I hit my tripod stand. I gotta get used to using this. Anyways, let's do it again. Yeah, not how I wanted it to go, but okay. So this one is Mac Plus 8 pieces blackhead pimple golden remover tools for face, professional extract or tweezer kit for remove acne, pimple, comb. What's that? I can't read that. Yeah. Comedone extractor, blackheads removing on face removal. Rupees 349, which is almost what this is the same price what I paid for my tripod. It's $4. No way, the tripod shouldn't be this cheap. Or maybe this shouldn't be this expensive. I don't know which one's which. Anyways, so let's get unboxing. Still haven't found my what do you call that? Wait. No man, no tissues. Guess we need more tissues. Yup. Yeah, there's the man. So let's unbox this. Still haven't found my box cutter. That's what I was trying to say, but after I left school, I forgot how to speak English. That's great. I mean, English is the best language. I know it's too. I hate how less. I mean, it's good for the environment that there isn't much packaging, but less. Like, okay, so first, this looks like something that would be on the shelf of a supermarket. You just pick it off. But the back side kind of looks fancy. Like if I showed you, show this. My shit. Let's get rid of this box. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. If I show you this, like, forget about the plastic. You know what? Just remove the plastic. Let's make it perfect. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. It doesn't come off. Damn, the box is actually quite good. If this Chinese thing wasn't written here, I would have definitely thought this is like some, fairly decent, fairly nice company. Oh my god, why is everything coming in this shot? Yeah. So if you had showed me this without showing, if you just gave me this box and remove this Chinese text, I'd actually think this is a mid-range product, but no, this is cheap things, not that cheap, but in India, for an average Indian, it's not that cheap, but it's also not that expensive either, so it's quite tight. I don't know why I laughed on that, sorry if any of my family members are watching, I'm sorry about that. Oh my god. Okay, this thing's very nice. Okay, here's the fun thing. I can open the sides. I don't know if you can see that there's a hole in the sides. But the middle, the part that should actually open isn't opening. What on earth is going on? I think they should have tutorials on their website on how to open these things, because these are impossible to open. Even the tripod stand should have come with some kind of manual, or even if they didn't give a manual in the box, they should give it online, so after you purchase it, know how to open stuff. I don't know if this is gonna help. I'm trying to really focus that there, and yep. I'm sorry, I sometimes forget to see in the camera what is the camera showing and what it's not. Okay, so there we go. That's how you open it. It's really hard to open, but Okay, so first let's take this. So focus, yeah. So it's all gold color, which is nice. You know, it doesn't really serve any purpose other than aesthetic purposes, but you know, it looks good aesthetic. You know, like you could like make get ready with me videos like having aesthetic stuff. You know, oh my god, I really have to learn how to remove things from the frame. Or keep the things which you gotta use. So this thing, you know, I think you gotta use it like this, like a pimp. Like, my god, I'm not gonna show my face here, all right? So like, imagine this is a pimple, or I don't know. Okay, imagine this is a pimple. This tiny speck of blood you see, imagine that's a pimple. You take this on this side, you, oh god, where's the pimple? Yep, you find the pimple and you press it and you remove it. And see, the pimple's removed. Of course, not. You don't actually do it. Like, it's not that easy. You gotta apply some pressure to put it, but you get the idea. Let's move on to the second one. Oh wait, I didn't show you the other part of this. Yeah. Why do I think I might have ADHD? I hope I don't. But anyways, this is the second. First rod and the second head. Imagine this white thing. I don't know what on earth it is. I think it's like paper bits or something. Anyways, imagine this white thing. You know, I'm gonna save the white things for the other one. That sounds so weird. Anyways, that's how you use. Imagine this to be a pimple. You just and you know, pop the pimple. Now don't ask me like which pimple uses which kind of rod or head, because you know I'm no expert. I am as clueless as you are, and the internet doesn't really give much information on this. If you guys do find information on how to use each head, please do share it with me. So also, I like this, you know, a flat thing. I mean, I'm not gonna use something. I don't think I'll be using it like this. I'll be more of using it like this, but maybe a doctor would use it like this. I hope I become a doctor. Anyway, so this, from what I've seen, you don't use it like this, you know, not like a pickaxe, but you use it like this. You know, and yeah, it does feel like this end, like actually, does feel rougher than this end, like obviously. I don't know, like maybe this is your nose or something. And you're like, hey, yeah. And this one is also like, well, from what I know, how much I know, this one is to be used on the tip of your nose. So yeah, that's maybe this is why it's maybe the triangle represents the nose. I don't know, man. I'm just making content because I don't want to make content. This is because I enjoy it. Like I'm not gonna earn money from this, but just enjoy this stuff. You know, I hope I do earn money. I need money. Imagine this white thing as a pimple, and you really need to get rid of the pimple. What do? You take this, you know, this is also a circle head. This one's a little more oval than this, I think it is. This seems a little bit more circle than this. I don't really see much of a difference with these two heads. Anyways, so back to this thing. So yeah, that's how you use it. A pimple, pull, apply pressure, pull, break the pimple. This one is, well, okay. I'm gonna remove this off camera. Okay, I removed it off camera. This is quite sharp. You might kill someone with this. No wonder these aren't allowed things like in the hand like this. Anyways, so yeah, you get a nice cap with it, you need to protect your hand so you don't accidentally poke yourself. I mean, now like I'm consciously doing it, so like I'm not hurting myself, but like if you're unconscious, you're like God, that's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt that shit. Anyways, let's put the cap back. I'm gonna keep the cap with me because it's important. Protect my fingers. Let's go on to the final rod. Oh, okay, this one. Okay, I don't understand the difference between these three. When I saw the product on Amazon, they were supposed to be like very different from each other. One was supposed to be like proper oval. One was supposed to like, you know, bend inwards. Does any of these bend inwards? This one's straight. This one's straight. This one's slightly. No. This one doesn't really bend inwards as much as it showed. Like one in Amazon, from where I ordered this, it showed like one of them like bent like this. One of the heads bent like this. Another head was like oval, like proper oval, and one was like a circle like this. So I don't know what's going on with them. But yeah, it's the same thing. I don't think I'll explain this again. This one, okay, I didn't explain the purpose of that pointy thingy. That and this pointy thingy have similar functions. I don't know which one to which to use where. I'm not a dermatologist. This one also comes with a cap, but this one seems way sharper. So, how do you remove this? Okay, it takes quite a lot of force. If this is the sharpest one there, and of course this one you can use it. You might be able to kill some of this most definitely. I do not recommend you to kill some. I mean, it's gonna take a lot of tries because this isn't that deep, but you get the idea. She's seriously injure someone. I think that's a better term to use. My God, I have to get used to YouTube lingo. Anyway, so that's also, yeah, I don't know if you've noticed, but each rod has this, you know, grooves in it. That's it. This mycin thing is like a paper which, oh wait, focus, and focus. Anyways, this is like a paper thing which I can remove, but which I'm not going to remove because it looks fine. Looks nice. There we go. Oh no, it doesn't close easily. No, it does close easily. It doesn't open easy. I think I'm gonna use a box cutter or whatever you call this every time I open this because it's hard to open. Anyways, thank you, Shiman. I expected a better product. Like the pictures and what I got are very different. So yeah. Anyways, so that's it for today's video, and yeah, I don't know, let's keep it like this while I say it. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and keep supporting the channel. Thank you guys. Also comment your thoughts or whatever.